So good morning everybody. It's from Jayashree from SNS College of Technology. I'm going to take the 4 stages of metasis from biology for engineers, and the unit name is what genetics and immune system. Okay. So let us see in detail the 4 stages of mitosis. It is very interesting topic. Let us see in detail. Okay. So first one is what chromosome. Initially the chromosome is used to distribute the DNA. And also the chromosome is used to contain the DNA. So the chromosome structure is what? In the center part the centromere is there, and in top and bottom chromatid is formed. So the overall structure forms this chromosome. And there may be the 2 pair of chromatid is present or 4 pair of chromatid is present. So both are having the same structure of chromosomes, but here the 2 chromatid cells are duplicated. Okay, that is what this chromosome. So in normal human cells contain 46 pairs of chromosome, 46 number of chromosomes. Out of this 23 pairs are present. Okay. Next one is what? Prophase stage, which is very important first stage of the mitosis stage. So here the cell is present. Inside one nucleus is present. Under this chromatin is present. Okay, inside the nucleus chromatin is present. This chromatin form the chromosomes. Okay, so this chromosomes and all this chromosome is formed in the prophase. Also the spindle fiber is formed. This chromosome tend to align with the spindle fiber, which is in opposite direction. Next let us see metaphase. So metaphase, in the spindle fiber and the metaphase stage, the chromosomes are aligned in the equatorial line, and this spindle fiber forms this continuous and discontinuous spindle fibers. The first one is why if the chromosome is attached to the spindle fiber, it is known as continuous spindle fiber. If the chromosome is not attached to the spindle fiber, it is what? Discontinuous spindle fiber. Next one is what? Anaphase. What are the 4 phases we already seen? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, at last cytokines. So let us see the next phase. So let us see anaphase. This anaphase form the separate daughters line. Sort of in the metaphase, the chromosome are aligned in the straight line, right? This chromosome move up and down to form the daughter cell. That is what the anaphase stage. The spindle fiber attached to the kinetocosh shorten and pull the chromatids towards the poles. Free spindle fibers lengthen and push the poles of the cell apart. So here the anaphase, in the anaphase stage, the chromosome are moved top and bottom to form the daughter cell. Next one, telophase. So telophase is going to separate the 2 cells individually. Okay, that is what this telophase. The 2 cells is going to form, not individually, going to form. Okay, so it is the reverse of the prophase. In the prophase, the chromosome is formed and the spindle fiber is formed, whereas in telophase, the spindle fiber disintegrate and the chromosome does not formed here. It is revert to the extended shape. Okay. Next one is what? Final stage is what? Cytokines. So thus we seen all the 4 stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. In the cytokines, the plant and animal cells undergo the changes is what? Cytokines. The plant cells undergo cytokines by forming the cell plate between the 2 daughter nuclei, whereas animal cell undergo cytokines through a cleavage of furrow or ring of microtubules contract. Okay, the cytokines separate the 2 daughter cells from the parent cells. After the 4 stages completed, the final stage is what? Cytokines. It is what? Plant versus animal cells. At last, this is what the graphical representation of mitosis stage. Thus, this graphical representation shows all the 4 stages of metaphase. Initially, the cell is divided into 2 stages, interphase and metaphase. In interphase, the cell division take place, whereas in metaphase there are 4 stages take place: prophase, The chromatin is formed into chromosome. In metaphase, it is aligned to the center of the line. In anaphase, it is separated into two daughter cells, and in telophase, it forms the nucleus separately in the two daughter cells, and finally cytokinin separate nucleus and separate cells. That is what this final stage of mitosis. So this graphical representation, once the cycle is complete, again it starts another cell to divide. That is what mitosis. So thank you all. Have a great day.